water float on top of water. This sounds very cool, right? But it's also true. To prove this, today we'll be doing a science experiment right in our home by making a volcano erupt underwater and bringing a huge plume of smoke up to the surface of the water. Oh guys, and a little reminder, today in this video I'll be featuring Avi. Check out his channel. I have put the link in the description box below. So let's start. All you need for this is cold water, a large clear container, a small container, and if you are using plastic, be sure to use sand. Hot water, a spoon, some food coloring or paint, and in that you'll be needing red color or yellow color, or you can also take orange color if you don't have red. Let's start. First, take your larger container, take your cold water, and then pour it about 3/4 cup. If you don't know how much is that, measure this much of your wrist and then pour it up to there. There we go. Now, take your smaller container, take some thread and then tie one end tightly around the neck and then tie the other end to the same end that you tied to make a hoop. Be sure to take a container with a small and pointy nozzle. Now take your food coloring, red color, take your spoon and drop some spoonfuls into the hot water. Be sure it should be bright red. Very close center. Stir it a bit. It's definitely looking like hot lava to me. Now pour it into this small jar. Be sure you do it in a plate so that it doesn't get messy. Now take your cold water, carefully hold it with the loop, hold the hot water with the loop and watch the magic. Hot water holes called as underwater volcanoes deep inside the ocean where there is not at all sunlight. There are hot water holes because there is so much pressure from the ocean that all the heat from the sun above the ocean, it all adds up at the bottom of this ocean and then pops up.
Okay guys, that was it for today's video. Let me know in the comments down below if you liked it. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell button too. Thank you for watching and I'll be seeing you with a new video soon. Bye guys.